like photograph.
Here?
Yeah, this stretch right here is the stretch, the famous stretch where everyone gathers to.
At least where's Takeshita Street? That's
The main one.
I've never been here before, you guys.
It's like it's in between Harajuku and Shibuya. It's like little stretch.
So cool. So, the neon signs. Anything neon, we are photographing today. Actually really fun. I'm just finding random spots where there's lights, and even though I'm using the 24 to 70, it's not that bad, you know? We get more of the scenery that way, so it's actually better.
That's cool. I feel like, you know how we were really struggling on the streets last time during the daytime?
Yeah.
Like, I feel like nighttime, oh my god, that is so moody.
Yeah,
it's kind of like Blade Runner vibes, you know, the futuristic.
And I'm just gonna pop it out in Photoshop.
That's really nice.
This is the real challenge. 2.8 lens, nighttime, let's go. Oh my god, let's do it right here.
Yeah, I love it. It's just
so cool.
It's like to us, this is also normal, but everything you see is like, oh my god.
Yes, lights! Oh my god, I'm loving this.
Yeah. No, it's a pop-up, so it's like it's never this good. Like usually like few neons, but.
Where's Brandon? Where's my friend Brandon? Shout out to Brandon because I know if you were here, you would kill the shoot in front of the store. So hi. Head down a little bit. And then just like blend the video. Yeah, right there. Keep that pose. Look in here. Like 5,000 right now. But we're gonna be able to get a lot of the scenery, which is good. You know, the ISO, it's gonna be grainy, but it's gonna be zoomed out. No one's gonna tell. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's do like an action shot. Like you walking like this. Yeah, let's do that. Here.
tea.
Next up, bubble tea.
Oh my god, let me help, let me. Okay, I should help you.
One. Okay. I don't know what. And back. Got it.
Refuel between the tea.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try at it. Are they like different designs? It'll be the end of the shoe. It's the last one. Hopefully. So even if there's people, it's okay.
Yeah, add to it.
Here, I think take your Here's the, but you're wearing black, so it kind of meshes up. But yeah, take it done. My viewfinder thing wasn't sharp. Okay, so my viewfinder vision, I guess, wasn't sharp enough, so it would look blurry in the viewfinder, but now we're good. Was there some kind of movement here, like moving your arm? Like you're walking, yeah, like you were walking past yours. And then walking back. Looking here? Very impromptu photo shoot. We did not plan to do this. We did amazing. We found some really cool spots. Let us know what you guys think of the pictures. And we want to thank Georgia for modeling again spontaneously. Bella for holding all of our stuff and assisting. And then we want to thank Koki for videotaping us today. Okay guys, let's say bye. We're gonna go get some bubble tea, so see you guys later.
Thank you. Bye bye.